Now shall I move to the next step? Listen. Any word you utter in your life, if you are honoring it, that your walk will become complete with that word. For example, you give a word, by tomorrow evening, I'll give you $10,000. By selling your house or you, whatever you want, you can sell, but by tomorrow evening you have to honor that word. Only then your walk will become complete. If you find, even if you sell yourself, nobody is ready to buy you for $10,000, then you can withdraw that word. That is also completion. Means before tomorrow evening on particular time, if you said by tomorrow evening 6 o'clock I will give you $10,000. By 5:59, before 6, if you withdraw that word by telling the person, I am not able to honor my commitment, so I am withdrawing that word. You please, I free you from the commitment we both made. You do the arrangements what need to be done, but I am withdrawing my word. Even withdrawing is completion. Understand? But neither withdrawing nor honoring becomes incompletion. Now we may think, oh, then I can give any word and withdraw later on. No. If you have given the word, you should have tried your best. Only when it is, you are exhausted, you can't. You have a right to withdraw. Only then it leads to completion. All of you are getting what I am saying? Not that you will tell what you want and you will withdraw the way you want. Chaos is not completion. Chaos is not completion. Listen. From this moment, decide to be in integrity. Means, if you give a word, you will honor it by giving your life. But if you see, even by giving your life, you can't honor it, you will at least withdraw it. But you will not leave any word unattended. Getting it? Understand, what I am teaching is not social ethics. Please listen. I am not teaching you social ethics. I am teaching you the science of completion. You may say, if I can withdraw the word, then what is there? But understand, from social standard it may not be right. But I am talking only from the spiritual angle of completion. If you give a word, not able to fulfill, at least withdraw the word. Means, you have to inform the other person, you will not be able to hold that word, you are withdrawing it. How many of you understand what I am saying? Listen. By neither honoring nor withdrawing, the type of incompletions you accumulate and the result of it is dilemma. Listen. If you are planning something great in your life, sometimes you sit and do big plans in your life. But while you are planning, one part of you is already laughing at you. You think you are a hero? You comedy joker. You can't even do this. How are you going to do that? One part of you will be laughing at you. How many of you have experienced it? That is nothing but incompletion in your walk. The component which makes you feel constantly a comedian is incompletions in your walk. I tell you, I do not have a comedian inside me. That is why I always feel when I plan, I know it will be done. And I do it. Actually, the only person who need to cooperate with your plans is you. No one else. No one else. When you don't cooperate, nobody will cooperate. When you cooperate, everyone will cooperate. Because I cooperated with my plan. See how many thousands are cooperating with my plan all over the world. Today morning we had Mahan's meeting just before you guys arrived. I am saying, oh God, how many, under each Mahan 650 people are working. We have 61 Mahans, 65 Mahans. Because under each Mahan 25 Kotari, under each Kotari 25 Tanedar. Then see the way in Tamil Nadu and all, under each Mahant 100 Kotari. Not 25, 100 Kotari. So under each Kotari 25 Tanedars. So many thousands of people are cooperating with what I want to do because I am cooperating with what I want to do. All of you understand? If you cooperate with what you want to do, so many thousands will cooperate with what you want to do. If you don't cooperate, no one will cooperate. And if you cooperate, even if people don't cooperate, try to oppose you, they can't do anything to you, you will win the game. Please understand. When you have Vak Siddhi, means completion with your Vak, your words become so powerful. So powerful. I'll explain step by step. And we will do the process of internalizing. Then I'll answer your questions. Internalizing process for accessing the power of your words. Vak Siddhi. Yes. Shall I? Please listen. I'll read out and explain. Integrity is you fulfilling the word and thought you give it to yourself and to others, and experiencing a state of Purnatva, completion with yourself and with life. Listen. Completion with your words is what I call integrity. One more thing. Even the words you gave it to yourself, you have to complete with them. Anyhow, you see, listen. In the young age you decide, when I grow up I will become a doctor. And for various reasons you did not become. That is also incompletion. Now either you should become a doctor or you should withdraw that word you gave it to you. Telling yourself, no, for various reasons I am not able to honor the word I gave, but now I am withdrawing that word and dropping it and completing it. Understand? So even the word you gave it to you has to be honored or withdrawn. First question, look into your life and list down all the words, promises, commitments you gave it to yourself and to others which you did not honor and fulfill, and where you did not withdraw and restore integrity. Listen. Look into your life and list down all the words, promises, commitments you gave it to yourself and to others Yes, first question is enough, ma. Because not only that, first question only I am going to answer, they are going to answer now. Second question is after that only. Please listen. Listen. Can you all listen? Look at me here. Drop your paper, pen, listen. Look into your life and list down all the words, promises, commitments you gave it to yourself and to others, which you did not honor and fulfill, or did not withdraw, and where you did not restore your integrity. Means you did not bring yourself to completion. List them. It should start from, if you have told your brother or sister you will give an ice cream and did not give, from that till today morning, the lies you told to your spouse, you may have to bring everything, whatever you remember. If you say I am not remembering, don't worry about it. Anything you do not remember does not come to you as a karma. What you remember only comes to you. And your karma never lets you forget it. Yes. Yes. To yourself. To yourself and to others. Please start penning down. Only this first question you will answer now. Second question I will lead you later on. Second is a process. First question. Yes. Even in your job, if you lied, in your resume, if you lied, pen down. It's a lifestyle what to do. Whatever you remember, pen down. I'll tell you what to do. How much ever may be the pollution, it can be cleaned. If it is less than 100 point, I don't think. If it is less than 100 point, you will be like a god, Deva. Whatever you remember itself will be 100.